Now let's do a preview, as we always do, for the next week. First of all, it's a busy one. It's the first week of August. I'll mention that August, contrary to popular belief, is an exciting month in markets. Markets are not on vacation. Last year, we had the collapse of the Chinese stock market while I was on vacation, and I missed out on that. In 2011, S&P downgraded the credit rating of the United States, and markets went crazy. Beginning of August 1st to August 5th, it's a busy week, and I think markets will move. First of all, on Monday, we have the Chinese PMIs. These are still important. China has been out of the limelight because of Brexit, because of other stuff. They took advantage of this to a bit, I would say, devalue their currency. Anyway, let's see how they're doing with the PMIs, especially the independent Caixin manufacturing PMI. Also, watch out for the UK final manufacturing PMI. We had the special preliminary ones last week. Let's see if things change. And we have the first ISM manufacturing PMI, the first hint for the NFP coming out on Monday. So it's, and also we have the reaction to the stress test in Europe, the bank stress tests. So it'll be, I'm sure, a relatively busy Monday. Usually Mondays are a bit more light. On Tuesday, we have the Australian rate decision. There is a cut on the cards, but with recent inflation figures, maybe not so fast. Let's see, I believe that it's more of a coin toss. That means rate cut, Aussie falls. No rate cut, Aussie rises. Okay, UK construction PMI, also important, but it's the third in line. On Wednesday, New Zealand employment data released only once per quarter should have a big impact on the Kiwi. UK services PMI, this is the final release. Will we see a correction? Will the final figures be better than the initial ones and then the pound can bounce? Or not? Will they confirm? So that's a big event also for the Bank of England. Big hints for the NFP come on Wednesday as well. The ADP non-farm payrolls and the ISM non-manufacturing PMI, the services sector, are much bigger in the United States, like in the UK, bigger than manufacturing. So it's NFP hint day as well. And on Thursday, we have the BOE rate decision. Will they finally act? 2 weeks ago, they told us that they want to see more data. The data is out. It doesn't look good. Will they cut rates from 0.5 to 0.25? Will they add more 50 billion more QE? Will they hint they'll do more in the future? Or will they say, basically, we're doing a lot, the government should do more? That is a huge, huge, huge event for the British pound, and also other currencies will be impacted, especially the euro. Okay, so that's one of the biggest events of the week, of course. The decision of the Bank of England, August 4th. Okay, and on Friday, of course, it's NFP day, US non-farm payrolls. Well, after this time, we have a full build. So it, of course, moves markets, and also for those trading the loonie, we have the Canadian jobs report. So that's a preview for next week's events. Non-farm payrolls and the Bank of England are the key events at the end of the week, but both of them have buildups with the ISM figures for the US and the PMI markets PMIs from the UK. So these are the main currencies to watch, but we'll also have reactions to the Bank of Japan, reactions to the stress tests in Europe, and well, and also again, watch out for political news. Political polls coming out Monday afternoon here in Europe, Monday morning in the United States, which will tell us if Clinton bounced, which is something that usually happens after the Democratic convention, or not. And then markets might panic a bit more. Okay,